Hey, welcome back. So today's an eventful day. I'm going to be buffing out the paint on this truck all over. I did the truck bed yesterday and I'm going to do the rest of the truck out today. So I'm also, after the buffing is done, I'm going to use a polisher on that. And then after that, I'm going to ceramic coat it with Avalon King ceramic coating kit. I just bought 2 kits for this truck. So I'm going to put it on and see what I think about it. I know Alex Palmieri from Legit Street Cars uses it, and I want to try it out for myself. I know he gets really good results. I'm not sponsored by Avalon King, but if they want to, by all means, go ahead. So be sure to do me a favor and like this video if you like the content in it, and subscribe to my channel, please. Some of my videos haven't been getting many likes. I know there's algorithms and all that crap to deal with when you upload a video, but I'll show you the before and after and all of the work that is done on this truck. So without further ado, let's get to it. Now, the Avalon King Armor Shield 9 is one of the easiest ceramic coatings to put on. It's real simple. They give you this foam block. They give you the microfiber for it that you stuff into the sides. It holds it there. Take the cap off. And it says you're down like 5 dots. Saturate it. Let's say that's enough. And then you wipe it horizontal and vertical twice. So do about a 2x2 section at a time. Go both ways with it. And it says to wait about 60 seconds for it to flash off. And then you wipe it down with a microfiber. And then you go through and do all of your panels, and that's it. It's that simple. And this is completely hydrophobic. You run water on this, it'll bead right off. It's pretty amazing stuff. I'm going to do a real quick before and after here for you. This is before in this door. And this is after. It's kind of hard to tell with the glare on it, but it is amazing shine to it for a 20-year-old truck. So I wanted to give you an idea just how hydrophobic this ceramic coating is. This is fender I applied to. You can see it just runs off. On the hood, just runs right off. So imagine how much easier it'd be to wash this whenever you comes time to go wash it. Here's the finished product. So you'll notice that I did not clean the wheels. I do want to polish those before I ceramic coat them. The ceramic coating will help keep the brake dust down and make it easier for it to come off, as well as any road grime or anything like that. This ceramic coating, it says that it lasts for 2 years. My truck sits outside, so we'll see how that works out for it. I will give an update in the future on what I still think of the ceramic coating to my truck and what I think it's doing as far as longevity. But if you like this content, please like the video and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.